Any news on FMCI? No, guys. If you're like, here's a piece of advice. If you believe, Greg Popovich is a good one too. If you believe in a pre-revenue company and like you believe that you're buying at a reasonable price if they succeed, you need to hold it and ignore it until they start succeeding. Okay? The fluctuations in the market are all ups and downs of just Robinhood traders, or even just like random, like maybe institutional traders just going in and out, right? What matters in the long term over 5 years is, does Tattooed Chef grow in sales? If when they put up those numbers, the stock will go up if they put up good numbers. That's just like, let's be like, no company, like Tattooed Chef will not trade at 1 times EBITDA unless they're about to go bankrupt, right? Like, so let's be clear, right? So they'll keep growing and you hold it if you're buying at a reasonable price. The problem with buying a Netflix at a Netflix, or I guess Netflix too, but a Tesla at an inflated price is you're buying already at high price, and you're going to have to wait 5 years for like the performance to really like justify the price. It's not necessarily that it's the worst decision in the world. It's just not the optimal decision, buying too high. Cool.